Liberty stock number 50906, which is a Sunnen ML-2000-DF, serial number 3K1-1454. All right, Rodney.
Yeah, well, here we are, sure. I mean, it's opened up and back. Got the standard control for 2000 up here. I've already got some numbers plugged in on it, spindle speed, stroker. We'll take a walk around, come back in and run it. Tooling package, fixture, whatever we got here. Coolant system, obviously, down low. We checked it, it runs. And we are currently wired at 220 volts, temped in. Yeah, we're not going to use much of this. I can change the stroke, but this makes no sense to play with it because we have no part in the fixture, so.
Okay.
We're honing air. Coming around, we do have a spindle motor here, stroker motor. Up here, with air package down below it. Yeah, kind of hard to see the little guys down there, but.
Okay.
Yeah. So come around this side, you can see the stroker. And the electric package, here's stroking, so. Yeah. Belt. It's all pretty standard stuff here on the ML series. Documentation, this is the front guard that goes up by the operator.
Okay.
And I was gonna get that. Like that. I have them interlocked so they stay closed. Like I said, coming in at 220 volts, it's temped in. 2 freak drives and power supply up there, there's not much going on. And that said, in manual mode, we get the spindle only, unlatch, latch it back up. I can come off the foot pedal now, and I'm at 680 already, easily changed, all the way up to 3,000 RPM. So if I bring this down, just to turn the spindle on, we can run the spindle up. I'm at 600 now. $1,000, give or take. 15. 22.
That's great.
Yeah, wide open. Runs good. It's got a tool in there. I'm not going to pull it full out. I didn't even check to see if it's in or solid, but I think it is. Bring it back down a little bit. Back to 1,000. And all the way down, just for our video here. I'll leave that around 700. That's fine. So that's just manual mode. You can unlatch it and bring it over here. Still stay with the foot pedal. I've got it at, 170. Let me bring it down. Start it off slow, then go high. I'm just lowering it down to, well, min is 660. So we'll leave it at the min and just start it off the foot pedal again. We won't do a cycle yet. This will be spindle and recip. And we can take it up a little bit. It's a pretty long stroke on there, maybe a little bit above average. We can change that a little bit in a minute. I'm going to bring it up. Let me turn this a little more. How about there? I'm liking that. There we go. Just so I can stay out of the way. 80. We'll go a little bit faster on this. 140. Yeah. 55. Moving right along. And let me stop for a second and we can shorten up the stroke pretty easily here, I think. Just kind of dial that down and let her rip. Go a little bit faster, we get around 200 maybe. 215. Works good. I'll leave it right there. I'll lower it down, then I'm going to do an auto cycle, just for the sake of the cycle. We don't have to leave it that fast. There we go. Now I'm going to flip it over. Oh, I already am on auto. I was auto foot pedal. Now I'm going to go auto cycle start, the third way you can run these. So I think we got stroker jog. Yeah. Set that in position and cycle start. And because we have no tool in there, the cycle's over immediately. So we're doing the countdown strokes. I put 5 extra strokes on there because if you watch the needle close, as soon as we hit right about here, it's over before you even know it. So it just buries itself. And now we're just counting strokes. That's these extra strokes I've got on here. So one more time. Yeah, but it works. It all works good. If I was to shut that off and put that at 0, If we do a cycle start now, back on there, you'll see how fast it kicks out. Cycle start now. See, I mean, it's just the way it is until you tool this thing up. So that's it, power on. We do have, it said latch unlatches on the air solenoids. We're not using ASC on here, so we're on 0 shut off and cycle stop, stroke or jog. That's pretty much all you can play with on here. Done
Very
deal.
good.
Yep.